Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Let's Get Graphics and Multimedia, and my name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video you are going to learn how to make a lotus mandala flower in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started and see how you can create this beautiful flower using corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. First step to take is to go to your toolbar right here. Make sure you click and hold down and choose your circle or ellipse. Then you have to come to the workspace, press Ctrl key down to draw a perfect circle. Then you have to press P to centralize. Next thing you to do is to make a duplicate of this circle. You just have to press Ctrl C on your keyboard and press Ctrl V to make a paste. So the duplicate one, you have to adjust it. Just press Ctrl key down and drag to the right side. And make sure it forms stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here, click and hold down and make sure you choose your smart fill. Then apply smart fill at the center point. Then the next thing you need to do is to select the first circle, press shift key and select the second circle and press delete key on your keyboard. Next thing you need to do is to fall back to the shape and press P to centralize. At this point here, you can come down below here, make sure you click on here. This will allow you to remove fill. Next thing you need to do is to fall back to the shape, double click on it. This allows you to bring out a rotation pane. The rotation pane you have to snap to the center at the bottom of the circle. Next thing you need to do is to make a rotation. For you to do that, you just have to come to the home tab right here, go to window. From window, you go to Docker. Then from Docker, you go to transform. From the point here, make sure your rotate is active. And then for the angle, make sure you type in 30. Then for the copy, make sure you type in 12 and click on OK, apply. You are going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar, click and hold down right here and make sure you choose your smart fill. Then you can apply the smart fill to this point here and this point. Next thing you need to do is to press shift key down and select each three of the fill, second one and the third one. Then you have to drag it out from the shape. Next thing you need to do is to go back to the toolbar right here, home tab right here, go to the fill, go to the stroke weight and make sure you apply 20 weights. So you are going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your menu bar right here and make sure you group the elements. At this point here, you need to make a rotation of these. But before that, you just have to double click on the shape. So when you double click on the shape, you have to snap to the node. Okay. Having snapped it to the node, you can come back here and click on apply. So you are going to have this stuff like this. Then you can go back to your pick tool and you select your pick tool. Next thing you need to do is to come down to your color palette right here. Make sure you choose the color of your choice. So I'm using turtles. So once you can select everything this way. Then apply color at once. You are going to have stuff like this. Okay. Next thing you can do here is to come to the home tab right here. Make sure you group this. Then you can fall back to the original flower shape right here and press the delete key on your keyboard. Next thing you need to do is to select the flower shape and press P to centralize. Next thing you can do right here is to apply stroke color. For you to do that, just come down to your color palette right here. Right click on here. You're going to have stroke white color. And press shift key and adjust your flower shape. You can resize the flower shape and you're going to have a stuff like this. If you are satisfied with the size, then you are good to go. Next thing you want to do is to apply background color to the flower. But before that, we have to select on the shape right here. So when you select on the shape, then press Ctrl C to make a copy. Then Ctrl V to paste. Then the duplicate one here, you just have to come down below right here and right click on the color of your choice. This allows you to add a stroke color. Next thing you need to do is to right click on it and make sure you go to order from the point here and go to back of layer. You're going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to remove fill. Then you can press shift key and drag out. This allows you to make it appear a little bit at the back of the flower. So you can adjust it based on exactly what you want. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar, select your circle, Press that Ctrl key to draw a perfect circle. You can come back to the flower shape, select everything, and press Ctrl J to group. Then press letter P to center into the page. Next thing you need to do is to select the new circle and press P to centralize. Then you have to come down here and select your color, yellow. Right now, you have to come here, right click on the shape to remove stroke. So you can select all the flower shape right here. And come to the home tab right here, make sure you group. Next thing you need to do is to press Shift key on your keyboard and adjust. So you can resize your flower based on exactly what you want. Finally, to add background color to the flower, go back to your toolbar, double click on the rectangle to create a page border. Come down below here and fill it with color of your choice. Then you have to come down here, right click on here to remove stroke. So simple as this. This is how you can create a lotus flower step by step using corelDRAW techniques. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this in corelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right.